In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Elementor template kits. Whether you're a seasoned web designer or just getting started, Elementor provides a powerful way to build beautiful and functional websites with ease using its template kits. These kits offer pre-designed templates that can save you time and ensure consistency in your website's design. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of utilizing these template kits effectively. First, you'll need to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, head over to Templates and then select Website Templates. Alternatively, if you're working directly within Elementor, simply click on the folder icon found in the Elementor editor. This will open up a window where you can easily choose the Kit Library tab. Once you've reached the Kit Library, take some time to browse the available templates. Each template kit has its own unique style and layout, so it's worth exploring your options. When you've found a template that catches your eye, click on View Demo. This will give you a comprehensive look at the included pages, headers, footers, pop-ups, and overall styles. It's a great way to visualize how this kit might look on your website and see if it aligns with your needs and creative vision. After reviewing a template, if you decide it's the right fit, go ahead and click Apply. Here, you will be presented with two choices: Apply All or Customize. For newcomers or those who want to expedite the design process, choosing Apply All can be the simplest and quickest option. This will import all aspects of the template kit, including templates, content, and site settings, providing a complete and cohesive design from the start. However, if you have specific needs or wish to retain some of your existing website elements, the Customize option lets you pick and choose exactly which components of the kit to import. In certain instances, you might be prompted to enable unfiltered file uploads. This step is essential, especially if your kit contains SVGs or other advanced visual elements that require this permission to function correctly. This ensures all visual components are seamlessly integrated into your site. Once you've made your selections and enabled any necessary settings, simply wait for the import process to complete. This might take a moment, but rest assured, it'll be worth it once you see the transformation on your website. As soon as everything is imported, you'll see a confirmation message. Just click Close to wrap up the process. And there you have it. You've successfully implemented an Elementor template kit into your website. Now, with these beautiful new designs and layouts, you're ready to further customize and fine-tune your site to perfection. Thanks for following along, and happy designing.